Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So this week we couldn't wait to get our hands on these brand new EKSA E1 Mega Bass headphones. They are a Bluetooth wireless/wired headset that's reportedly have a music playback time of 24 hours. Obviously that is probably based upon them being tested out with 20 to 30% volume being used, which is quite low, but we will indeed be testing this aspect out for ourselves over the next couple of days. And if you want to know the cost for these headphones, well, they cost as little as £19. That's around 26 in US dollars. Within the package, we do receive, like all the other EKSA headphone products, a handy pull cord PU leather bag, which the headphones do sit with inside it. Let's place them to the side just for now though, and accessory wise, we do get a usual detailed EKSA user manual setup guide. There's a micro USB charge cable. Unfortunately no, it's not Type-C fast charging I'm afraid, but it should take just over 2 hours to fully charge them from flat, which you know what, isn't too bad. We do also receive a standard 3.5mm 1.2m audio cable. Nope, it doesn't have a microphone upon it, but as we take the headphones out of that pull cord bag, I will note that this headset itself does have that CVC 8.0 microphone built in that is only accessible in wireless mode only, you know, for making those hands-free calls. Now these E1 headphones, I do like the unique design. It's what really stood out to us when we first saw the release pictures. They consist of a watch strap-like design that hold them folding 40mm driver units. So yep, they do indeed fold, and they are adjustable and certainly flexible too, enabling them to fit any size head. Yeah. One thing we have noticed though is those exposed wires on the headphones. As we do adjust their sidearms up and down, it does leave us wondering how long these headphones will actually last after having the drivers consistently adjusted. For example, as you can see, this is the extent of how far the wires will stretch when they are indeed fully extended. I must admit, I do prefer headphone wires to be covered within the headphone shell itself, but when these headphones are folded, again, these side arms do stick out quite a bit. One thing I will say though is I do love those rounded, triangular moulded vinyl discs on the side of those 40mm driver units. They certainly do stand out, and well, comfort wise we do have those memory protein earpads fitted that are replaceable. They do initially feel quite comfortable when placed upon your ears, but I wouldn't say that they are over-the-ear headphones though, as they do just sit on the outer rim of my ears, but you know what, they do sit quite firmly, not falling off my head with harsh movements. Now the headband, it is also PU leather padded. It does have real nice stitching around the edging, with the EKSA logo that is embedded. To the rear of that right hand driver unit, we do have all of the function controls, like play, pause, call answering, the previous and next track selections, that also act as your volume controls too. Under those volume controls we do have the bass boost button, so if you are into your extreme impactful music, you can hold that button for a few seconds to activate it, and that bass should dramatically improve. Yet we do also have a LED indicator, our 3.5mm audio input for that wired connection. There's also that mentioned single pin CVC 8.0 microphone, and shifting to the opposite driver, we have that micro USB charge port. Now we have been using these headphones for the past couple of days, and well, connectivity wise, I've got to be quite honest, with that Bluetooth 5.0 QCC3024 chip built in, the transmission distance will only reach up to 9 meters within closed doors, so you are better off staying within the same room as your connected device. Connection is however real swift though, and yes, within open spaces you should easily reach between 15 and 16 meters before that transmission again cuts off. If you are using the E1 headphones for around about 2 to 3 hours, the comfort is quite adequate. Your ears don't feel too sweaty at all, but if you're using them for long extreme use for around about 5 hours, even though these headphones are super light, weighing only 288 grams, you will feel the pressure build up and they can feel a slight bit uncomfortable at times. And although we do have some initial passive noise isolation, we did notice that there was a bit of sound leakage when the volume is at full volume, so yes, people around you can hear what you're playing. Now while the EKSA E1 headphones are consistently at max volume, and without that bass button being pressed, audio levels didn't sound at all too bad. While listening to different genres of music, bass initially did sound above average for its price range, with the treble levels sounding just as good too. But what we did notice is that the mid-range did sit rather distant, which is much more noticeable with vocals. Okay, it did sound a bit better after adjusting our connected device's equalizer, but when that bass mode is activated, even though it did add more of a thump, it did however make those vocals sit back even further. And another thing is that the audio did sound like it was deviating slightly to that left-hand driver unit. But I will say that was only noticeable after we used these headphones for a very long time. As much as these E1 headphones did provide us with an energetic dance music experience, they just lacked some mid-range detail when it comes to vocals. We did use this headset in wired mode too. Okay, the volume is a bit lower than using them wirelessly, but the quality levels do just about sit the same. Functionality: the function controls are easily to blindly master. They are situated quite good, but one thing that is noticeable, even though the headphones are paired to your device, is that blue LED light on the right hand driver unit does consistently illuminate, which can be a bit annoying when it's flashing within a dimly lit room. So yeah, it doesn't go off, I'm afraid. But you know what, let's talk about the microphone, because here's a good point. They actually worked very, very well. Here's an example. This is what the voice pickup's going to be like when using this headset for making calls, or for example, doing a video like we're doing just now. When it comes to latency, no, there's no issues whatsoever. As you can tell, my lips are in sync with this video recording today. And as we've already played back a few videos, I've got to be honest, the voice pickup is nice, crisp and clear, superb in fact. And this is one of the best aspects when it comes to the features with this E1 headset. That superb voice pickup is indeed the same when making calls. And not only that, because it's got that CVC 8.0 microphone technology, this headset will try its best to block out all the exterior noise from around you. So, when it does come to those microphones, we've got to give it a big thumbs up. In all, after using these EKSA E1 headphones for the past few days, out of the 24 hours that was specified, we did in fact truly get, you ready? Just under 8 hours use out of a full charge. Yes! 8 hours out of 24. And that is because we use 100% volume consistently. That means they basically tested these headphones with around about 10 to 20% volume. That's mad. But at least now we know the true minimum use, and by the way, that is without that bass boost button being activated, so you will expect a shorter amount of time once you've turned that bass boost on. Nevertheless, charging them is quite swift as mentioned, and with regards to our rating, well, the audio quality, we are simply going to give the E1s today a 7 out of 10. For design, we're going to give it 8 out of 10. For comfort, another 8 out of 10. Functionality, a 9 out of 10, with the microphone quality sitting at another 9 out of 10, with our overall rating for the EKSA E1 headphones today sitting at 8.2 out of 10. So overall, for a budget set of headphones, I would say that they are a fair bang for your buck. That is if your music listening criteria is all about the bass. I must say they certainly do look unique, they do stand out, and if you would like to check them out for yourself, well, I've left a handy little link in the video description down below, so check it out for yourself and go get yours. While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video. Please subscribe to this channel, I'd very much appreciate the support. Make sure though to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, we are going to be doing a big haul of EKSA products in the next few days, so stay tuned for them, we've got loads coming. But as usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching today. Peace!